We know that we need to attack COVID-19 in multiple ways. Certainly multiple cleaning high friction surfaces, but also exploring some innovative chemistries as well as air filtration systems that we can install in our existing HVAC systems. First and foremost, we're using two different chemistries. We're using an antimicrobial chemistry as well as a disinfectant chemistry. So the antimicrobial is something that we distribute in the spaces throughout every single space. So before the students even ever come back on campus, every space on campus will have received a coating of this antimicrobial that actually resists viruses from attaching themselves to surfaces. Then with the disinfectant, that allows us then to hit high friction surfaces, desktops, keyboards, doorknobs, door pulls, push plates, keypads. Early on in COVID-19, we purchased electrostatic cleaning equipment. Basically, these are foggers or sprayers where we're able to get a high volume of disinfectant or antimicrobial into a space quickly. More recently, we invested in a high-tech system that was actually developed for hotel rooms and cruise ship cabins, and we can do up to 50,000 square feet in a minute of running time. We are cleaning more frequently. We're hitting bathrooms in the residence halls 3 times a day. We're hitting classrooms 3 times a day. We've installed MERV 13 filters. Now, a MERV 13 filter is a very high grade, very dense medical grade filter that will filter out a much higher degree of particulates in the air and allergens and things like that. In the office spaces, high frequency spaces such as admissions and student services, we've installed plexiglass screens. One of the things that we're doing that's very innovative are these UV lights. It will literally kill every allergen and every virus, mold spore, anything that's in any space. It's pretty amazing. We are working to encourage physical distancing on campus by putting a number of different cues in place, including arrows and circular footprints on the ground that spaced at 6 feet apart, that will define paths and basically tell people where to stand and how far they can stand. We can do any number of things and almost absolutely assure that you're not going to pick up COVID-19 from a surface or a keyboard or a light switch here by the amount of cleaning and all the chemistry that we're employing. But the number one important thing that we can do is wear our masks. Each one of us has a personal responsibility to protect one another. In facilities management, the safety and comfort of our students, faculty, and staff is our top priority. COVID-19 presents even more challenges to these efforts, so we're providing the tools to enable and empower the campus community to do their part and keep their personal space as clean and sanitized as possible.